it's to be expected. When you're going through any kind of chemo or radiation, we already know that's a side effect, right? Your hair most likely is going to come out. So it's really up to the individual because everybody is going to be different. Most women, yeah, it's going to be a struggle. It's just that we have to work on that negative emotion, those negative thoughts, that negative self talk. We have to work on that first because I can't just sit here and say, oh, it's okay. Your hair is going to grow back. Nobody wants to hear that. Nobody's believing that because it's happening right now in the moment. And when your hair falls out, you don't feel beautiful. You don't feel pretty because society tells us we have to have this nice, long, thick, flowy hair to be beautiful. So you're automatically like, no, I'm not pretty. I'm not beautiful. So we have to tackle that negative self talk, those negative emotions. That's step one.